YouTube, what is going on? Today, I'm gonna teach you guys how to shoot car photography. Now, got my boy Manny in town. He just picked up an FX3, so he wants to shoot some B-roll. We're gonna go POV style. I'm gonna get all up in there with the camera. We're gonna show you guys different framing, different focal lengths, a whole bunch of stuff. So let's waste no more time, get to the location, and I'll go over my process for shooting automotive photos. So the first thing you want to do when you get to location is to wipe down the car with Auto Detailer. As you guys could see, I have two different rags. One's gonna be the wet rag, one's gonna be the dry, and we wanna just take off any surface grime, some road grime that we built up on the car on our way to location. We don't always have the opportunity to have a car dropped off on a trailer, so we need to be proactive. We don't wanna take photos of a dirty car, so we're just gonna wipe this car down real quick, and I'm gonna give you the next tip. All right, so the camera that I'm gonna be using today is the Sony A7IV, and we're gonna be using two different lenses. This one right now is the 24-70 G Master Mark II. This is gonna be getting myself tight, mediums, wide shots of the car. Now, when I move in for detail shots, I'm gonna swap glass to the 50mm G Master 1.2, so I could get a lot more depth in these nice detail shots on the car. We have some carbon fiber accents, we have some splitters, we have canards. There's a bunch of like cool different things on the car that we want to showcase when we're listing the car for sale. Now, another thing I want to talk about is the positioning of the car. Right now, I have the sun coming in from over here that's backlighting my car. I have the car on a little bit of a 45-degree angle, and that's the angle that I'm looking to capture. I love the way the 45 looks. We get some tire, we get the aggressive side of the bumper, we get a little bit of the back of the car, and this is always a really good angle to start when you're shooting cars. Let's get all the shots with the 24-70, and then we'll move in for the detail shots. All right, so right now we're shooting our 45-degree angle. I'll have them coming up on the screen. And I'm just looking for a variety of tight, mediums, wides. I'm gonna go up here for a different perspective. So let's go up top and see how the car looks from up there. So right now I'm gonna shoot through these cables because it looks pretty cool, framing them within the cable, which is pretty neat. So another cool thing is finding some height. If you could get above the car and shoot it, you get a really unique perspective, almost like a top down, and overall it just looks pretty. I love the long shadows coming in, and I'm placing the car in the third. So right now we timed it so the sun would be coming in and backlighting the car. And yeah, I mean, I'm really liking this angle right here. I mean, look at this frame. This is beautiful. We have the car right there. Yeah, this perspective's super cool from over here. There's a lot of depth. All right, another cool frame is the Recaro seat in between the mirror and the windshield. Let's go really shallow. Yeah, that's a cool shot. What else do we have on the car? Let's see how this is looking. I just like the butt of the car. Don't forget to switch to low angles too. Change your elevation, guys. Want to keep playing around with settings. I'm jumping around from f4 when I want more in focus, and so on. Trying to see if I got a shot in between the roll bar. Yeah, this angle looks good too. So we have another rear 45. Oh yeah, those lines look great. Obviously we want some with the tire turn. So we'll do that right now. Give it a little bit of an aggressive stance. So yeah, we're just always looking for different perspectives, guys. That's all we want to keep looking for and whatnot. Get creative, try to find different perspectives from above. Like I was showing you, try to find things on the car to shoot through, to reveal. So now we're gonna move on to the interior. We can open up the door, get a shot from like here, shooting the shift knob, the steering wheel, just different perspectives that we want to get with some of the roll bar in the foreground. Looks super good. And we could step out and get this shot now. Get that shot. Let's get the MRS right here. This doesn't have to be creative. It's just a detail shot for the listing. If you can get creative, go for it. We have like the custom padded door sills, carbon fiber door cards, speaker covers, the grab handle. So we want to showcase all of this stuff. All right, and there you have it. Those are some tips and tricks when it comes to shooting automotive photography. Find different perspectives, look through objects to shoot and unique frames like the door, or when I was shooting through the roll bar. There's so many different perspectives that you guys could find. Make sure you get your side profiles, your 45 front and rears, your straight on shots, and then try to get creative with some top downs, whether you're getting elevated or you're just holding the camera. Really try to find the unique detail shots and perspectives of the car. Showcase the lines of it. Get down low, get up high. Just switch the elevation and that could change the car, the way it looks in your frame, the backdrop, that much better. So if you thought this video was helpful, please leave a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything and it really helps me out. And until next time, guys, I'm Jason Anthony. Peace out.